or 3 votes. You got 3 votes at Sheraton Hotel, that big hotel, 3 votes. After buses, yet brought people from all over the country, 10 provinces. Some came from South Africa, come from the UK. They came to vote you, but they refused to vote you because of your character. What we are doing right now is the same as what we were doing 2020 before the EOC, before the extraordinary Congress. You were always doing press conferences but in the MDC. And right now we are doing the same. You have with this character of having press conferences away from the MDC offices. And right now, even on your Facebook page, I don't think all your friends support you. On your Facebook page, whatever comments right now which are happening, that's why you are hiding.
With all due respect, I think he...
Are you the president?
No.
Are you the leader of the party?
With all due respect, leadership, this is a question time. So if you are spending 10
Which
minutes...
question? What are you questioning about?
Can I speak? Because you have been speaking for more than 10 minutes. With all due respect, this is a press conference.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you?
Leadership.
Who are you? We're the president here.
I'm part of the MDC.
Who are you?
I'm part of the MDC.
Who are you? Tell us your name, your position,
are you here to
your
disturb the conference or are you here to address?
Who are you?
What question? Address issues of business. Not coming as personal attacks. I arrest.
What is your position? What is your position in the MTC? What is your position? Since 2020,
leadership, you have done your part.
Since
1990,
no.
I think
it's enough.
Let's give him opportunity to answer you.
We don't
I don't know if
know
I'm going to answer you. You've raised your facts. You've raised your issues. Let him answer you. Let him answer you. Let him answer you. Let the leadership answer you. You have raised your issues. You have said, listen, you have said he's got less than 3 votes. So give him the privilege to answer you. Don't disturb things. Give him the privilege to answer you.
The leader of the MDC
he has a right to
the leader of the press conference.
My name is not necessary. My name is not necessary. My name is not necessary. All I'm saying is give him an opportunity to address you. You have asked questions, so he's going to answer you.
Decided over the Congress of the MDC as the chairman of the MDC, who was not nominated by the people in Zimbabwe. You were not even nominated by anyone. All the 10 provinces in the country, they didn't nominate you.
Instead of complimenting the efforts of Douglas,
so right now, you are just Adonija. You thank God you used that. My name is Apostle Boaz, the apostle of stubborn faith. Whatever I'm saying right now, I'm trying to address it because you quoted the Bible. You quoted Adonijah. Adonijah did exactly what you are doing. He went away and tried to, you see, this guy, exactly what Haman did is what you are doing. Whatever grave that you are digging right now is that grave that you are going to fall into. And the Mordecai of today, which is Douglas Montola, you are going to see him rising. You are Adonijah, you are Absalom, you are the Haman of today in this country. You are digging the grave for the leader of the MDC. But guess what? You are going to fall in that grave. Right now on your Facebook page, people are not supporting you. People are not supporting anything that you say. Sometimes you'll be posting things and I'll be feeling sorry. This guy, what really happened? What has he been smoking of late?
I think you are entertaining a mentally health segment. We need
no. My name is Apostle Boaz.
Ask questions.
I've been the chairman of the MDC. I've been the MDC for since yes. This one. Wait. This guy can't even contest as a councillor. This one. He can't even contest as a councillor.
You want to blame Douglas? At one time you protected
You see, check that Gibson's father is not
you protected
you.
You protected me.
Gibson's father is nothing at all. You will never win
Who works with this
president.
You come into
I don't know. Check where you're hiding. Check where you're hiding. This small of people struggle to come to this place.
Thank you so much.
If the guy from the Voice of America maybe were not assaulted by us. Somebody maybe did that. So we apologize. I'm sure you've answered yourself. That someone is there trying to sabotage. We are here to
This guy, Morgan Committee decided over Congress of MTC. And he was only nominated by one person. And this is the reason why he's here. He's not the president of the MTC.